Hey Syracuse, hey Central New York. My last few videos talking about home ownership and the benefit. Well, now I'm here to tell you that home ownership is not always roses. 2 weeks ago, during our latest Snowmaggedon in brutal temperatures, my garage door. The spring broke. Did the door open? Nope. Better yet, when they came to replace the springs, wrong size. Had to be ordered. Yep. So my garage, that's obviously indoors, I could have held my car out of the snow and the extreme cold, sat empty. Now, sure, I could say, oh, this is why people rent, because I'm just going to call maintenance. But guess what? I still would have had to wait. And you know what? Stuff breaks. That's ownership. That's renting. My cost? I got lucky. It was under $500. And thank you, Raynor Garage Door, for fixing my door. Is homeownership glamorous 100% of the time? No, not at all. But while I was waiting for that spring, my house, I was still building equity. And that's the difference. I'm not paying somebody else. I'm paying myself. Want to see my new springs? Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, beautiful springs. Who knew they were so important? I do now.